Hi! In front of me is REALME 10 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this REALME. First of all, go into Settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose Apps. Now click on App Cloner and tap on one of your apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. In order to clone it, select this gray sweater next to Create App Clone. Then choose Rename App Clone and type in wherever you wish to, in my case F2. Then select Save over here, choose when using Quick Functions, adjust this option however you wish to, in my case Open Main App. And as you can see, after that my app was successfully cloned and adjusted. If you wish to delete it, you need to click on the same, now blue sweater, and select Delete in the pop-up in order to confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!